Learn auto body and paint. That's exactly what you get. After having several very large quotes to do body work and paint on my vehicle, my project vehicle, I decided that I would take the job on myself, having never done any of it before. I've been a mechanic for pretty much all my life, but never did any auto body or paint. So I went online and started looking around for, how to do body work and paint sites and, how to paint a car, how to prime a car, what's needed where. And I happened upon this Learn Auto Body and Paint site. And in looking at it, I realized that it was all right there, one spot. I was able to download a free book, which explained a lot. But there was also this other thing, which was a VIP. And if you joined the VIP part of it, which cost, a few bucks, not a huge amount, there was even more. And what I found was that I didn't need to look any further. So, being a VIP member, as I say, I got more content, more videos about really how to do things, some of the pitfalls, do this, don't do that, here's a mistake, here's to avoid mistakes. And also, there are weekly YouTube chats where you can put out questions about, your project or whatever you're working on, about paint, auto body, whatever. And you can get the answers right there, Sometimes other things you look at it and you say, well, I don't quite understand, but this is a better way to go. Also, in getting involved in Learn Auto Body and Paint, I've made some friends, if you will, online, and everyone is willing to help each other. There's no backstabbing or sniping or anything like that. It's, we're all here to learn and help each other in things that we've learned and made mistakes, and here's what I did and here's how I fixed it, or can you help me fix it? If you're thinking about joining, as I said in the beginning, I, to this point, have not found a single site that has everything on it and is well worth the money. That's, I don't remember what it is now, but every now and again they run a special. But it's all, as I say, it's all in one spot. And if you're serious about, doing your own work, or even, maybe even once you get into it and enjoy it and learn more and more, you can start, a side business, doing things for your friends and family or, other people or whatever. I've done my first project and posted some pictures online, and from that I've had a couple of people come to me and say, well, if you need some practice, I've got a car or a project or whatever you can practice on. So it's an all-around win-win, in my opinion. So if you are thinking about joining, look it up. Look online. Learn Auto Body and Paint. I believe it's .com, and all the information is right there. And I think if you decide to join, you'll be very, very happy. I have been. So that's my story. Nice talking to you.